guys? Good morning. A little bit of a cold. It's a cold morning in New Jersey, 29 degrees. Got both cars outside and the garage cleaned up, ready for the lift install. Hopefully it won't take that long, but we will see. What's going on, guys? Beautiful day here, March 3rd, 2024. Gonna clean up this area over here. Got a bunch of these, so got two more inside, but I think I only need two. I'm trying to put that in that corner over there, try to get all this stuff cleaned out. Got my old Supra headlights, tail lights, a bunch of stuff all over the place. Got some free dots and rotors if anybody needs them. Guy flaked on me, they wanted them for free. Try to get some stuff done so I can get started out a little bit on this car. I gotta get somebody in to change all the tires too, so that's a big thing. But yeah, I think I got two of my buddies coming by, my cousin's swinging by, so hopefully it's a nice day. 65 today, so do some barbecuing, clean up all this mess. I got some insulation I'm gonna be cutting up right now, trying to finish up at least part of this wall now, so just might as well do it before I do everything. So yeah, I'll be back. Stick around, guys. All right, guys, 2 hours later, still waiting for everybody. Nobody showed up, so got everything done. Got the insulation up, got the plywood back there, built the shelves. Obviously, you can see I'm gonna put this somewhere over there. Garage is kind of a mess, so I got a bunch of boxes out there. Got a bunch of parts, that for each car that need to be installed. Headlights, some Nissan parts over there. Obviously, the window regulators I talked about. I gotta look for the trim molding. Hopefully, I start finding stuff. I know I took some stuff off this car, and I haven't found some simple plastics that I've removed. They gotta be in here somewhere, right? It's just a bit of mess. Oh, I got these things too. It's kind of cool. Put these up so when I'm pulling in, I can see a little bit better. Especially this one, I'm more worried about I have enough room, but yeah, I'll go over the lift a little bit more. Just wanted to kind of throw some chicken on the grill today, so got that going. Some sausages, throwing some meat on, and getting some drinks. But yeah, this whole area is gonna hopefully be clean. I still got a lot of stuff. I don't know what to do with my engine stand there. Maybe break it down and put it in the shed. Hopefully I'll never need it really. Well, unless I get a new motor, but don't hopefully have issues with any of these guys. So yeah, a bunch of stuff I gotta put away. The old exhaust from the Supra is in here. The new Tomei's over there. I gotta put that in pretty soon. Got a bunch of parts all over the place. Got my old nitrous bottle from like 20 years ago. So yeah, it's coming along. So hopefully the next hour or so I'll get this all cleaned up. I need somebody to come and help me move this. It's pretty heavy. So built it last year for behind the chair where it used to be in the middle of the room. So yeah, hopefully that's gonna be wrapped up pretty soon. Running out of space here, so hopefully this works. So thanks, guys. I'll be back. I'll show you guys how this all looks pretty soon. Big difference. It's all done. Gotta put all this crap away, but not a bad one. All right, guys. Well, I got this far around 6:30 at night before the barbecue. So time everybody got here. Obviously, all this fell to the wayside. So still got some cleanup to do, but it's looking a lot better. So the idea is get everything in here. As you can see, I have a little bit more room, but still got some stuff I got to put away. I'll probably got to break that down. But yeah, so far so good. See if I get more work done tomorrow. Thanks, guys. All right, guys, moved it over here. Some kind of quick bench for now. I got to clean all this up. The wings are going to be going on that car, and some of them get stored. So still have this mess here. And obviously I still have the exhaust, which I haven't installed yet. This is for the Z. Not sure what I'm gonna do with these things. Like I said, I think I'm gonna just break them down and put them away and hopefully not need them. So you can see this area looks a lot better now. Got a lot of room, obviously. This is everything that needs to get installed right now. So, and this too. So these are the areas that I guess need to be worked on. This is just cool extra stuff I have. Covers, GTR cover, R35, carbon fiber, old headlights and stuff like that. So yeah, a lot of stuff I'm gonna be working on is gonna be in that top shelf. So I plan on probably putting these things up somewhere over here. I just noticed it's pretty dark on this side, I guess, because the one LED is right over there. I don't have anything in this corner. Interesting. Yeah, so it's also pretty dark under here. So what you guys think? I'm gonna probably order some LEDs strips for the lift, so I can light up the, underneath the car. So I think I'm gonna start working on that. Just don't know how I'm gonna do it, because if I can't put it here, because obviously these little trays slide on there. Wish it was just a little bit bigger. Kind of slide there. I don't know. This car doesn't leak, which is kind of crazy. Yeah, Nissan. Usually they leak, but yeah. So I think this corner here, I'm gonna hang these up. I'm not gonna be using these that much. So this thing is super heavy though. I do want to replace that one day. I do want to get the aluminum ones. These bad boys a little heavy, so I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do with these. I think you could put them this way long, which is kind of cool. So yeah, really haven't used the lift too much. Like I said, jacked the car, put it up here. So I want to clean this all up today. So I'll show you guys how it's cleaned up. Maybe put these right now. I wish I had a little bit more space. I think I'm gonna do something here with the shelves. I don't think I need all that shelves. Plus, I'm kind of a hoarder. I mean, car guys, we hoard everything. Like, I have like Armada, brand new Bilsteins, like a bunch of crap. Even from like some of the, I think I have some stuff from my RX-7, my FD. It's crazy. Like, I got my S2000 amp, which I'm never gonna use again, JL Audio, because I'm not really a car guy, but I don't want to throw it out. I got the old radios, look at this old kicker, EQ. I mean, man, it's just some stuff that I need to probably get rid of. Riding boots when I used to ride. Yeah, wow, tack from my old, I think this was on my FC even. Eesh, I think so old. I don't even know. No, that came on my Celica. I had a 71 Celica, which you guys probably follow me on Instagram. You've seen. I kind of missed that car because that could have been a great project car to work on right now. But yeah. So yeah, let me try to move some stuff around here, clean up some more. It's a rainy day here in Jersey. I'm here with my kid. We're in here. It's kind of hanging out. So not much to do on this Saturday. So we figured we'll finish up, clean up, and get this all organized. Not sure where everything's gonna go right now, but I guess put it somewhere now and see how we end up. So be right back. Thanks, guys. All right, guys, I think I'm done for the day. I moved everything here because I'm gonna put it in the back. Like I said, I had the storage. Shout out to anybody that plays Street Fighter. I was able to set up the mirrors for the car, so I could actually, when I'm pulling in, just makes things a little bit easier. Got to break this down. I'm gonna put this away for now. But everything else is pretty much better now. It's a little bit better than, organized than it was before. So everything's gonna probably go over here. Any leftover stuff. Actually, none of that stuff. But some of the stuff that I need to still clean up, I'm gonna get rid of. I'm trying to get rid of some stock Z rotors that I got. The guy never came and picked them up. I think these are from my RX-8, if I remember. So anybody has RX-8 New Jersey, wants free rotors, come pick them up. If not, I'm gonna do something and, like all the other crap, probably put it on the wall somewhere, kind of hang it. But we'll see. Same thing with the pistons. These are forged. No, I'm joking. These are my old S2000 pistons that from my old motor, from my F20, the motor that we have there. So just never threw them out. Just kind of want to keep them, kind of show them somewhere. Not really much to show, but I like the obviously the structure of a piston. So yeah, but I'm gonna end up trying to clean up a little bit more of the stuff. Some of my son's stuff, some there's my G.I. Joe. Obviously I have my G.I. Joe collection here. So Storm Shadow, a bunch of stuff here. Tiger Force. I don't know if you guys are into this stuff. I love this stuff. Obviously it's Serpentor stuff from like back in the days when I was a kid. So and I got some of the new stuff here. Don't know why I have it here. Just don't have anywhere to really put it. But yeah, that's usually how things are. I did need a light down here, and it came back, and I remembered that I have all of these lights. So these lights throughout the garage here, about 4 or 5 of them. So if I turn off the top lights, you know, I could have LEDs, the LEDs going in here. So if it's like fighting it or something, I have, you know, the room in like different colors and stuff like that. So I forgot I had these. I turned them on, and it gives me a lot more visibility down here. So which is good. Might pick one up, put one in here. But I still want to do the LEDs. I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, I guess it's gonna make a separate video, but I guess I'll just leave it for this one. Is kind of, you know, this is the Atlas 8000, you know, 8,000 pound 4-post lift. I've had it for probably a month now. Not too many issues with it so far. I mean, I've just checked, you know, new to lifts, so making sure there's nothing going on here. Obviously, when you have it sitting, you're supposed to have it resting on the locks. So the only thing I've noticed though, and I might have to take the car down and double check, make sure it's straight, is I feel like when it's on the last lock, it does shake a little bit, and I don't know if that's normal. I don't know. I had this professionally installed, so you know, they did all the work for me. So long story short, I don't know if it's normal, but I don't want to spend, you know, waste your time right now, you guys going through the whole process of it. But yeah, that's, you know, that's the lift. I mean, it was on back order for a while. Obviously I got it. I'm excited about it. I might add like I said, the next one should go here. I might have to space it out. Maybe it will lock inside of here, maybe in the front. I'm not sure. I'm gonna have to double check things are, but I'm excited. This is gonna help me out a lot. I do want to get some of the stuff done. Like the first thing was the oil change. So here is the weight I use. Here is the K&N filters that I use. So on the RB, obviously, on the both R34s and the Datsun. And here is the Nissan plug washers. So if you need to pause for a second or take a look at that, that's the part number I got. I think I got these on Amazon or eBay. They were cheap. So yeah, I got to do the oil change on this car pretty soon. So it's just the weather's been kind of crappy. I've been cleaning up in here. I do want to get rid of some of this stuff. Obviously this is going to get, I'm probably going to repaint this again, put this back on the Z. This is the under tray, which is kind of rare. Usually don't find those on the older Zs. So I'm going to clean it up, put it back on. Not sure what I'm gonna do with the bottom. I'm not gonna install it, run or anything. I just want to put it somewhere. It's just in the way. Kind of wanted this area just in case I need to kind of, you know, go back here and lower the car or, you know, raise the car. So that's why I did all this, which is really helping out. Unfortunately, I don't have room for my other stuff, so all this stuff's gonna get broken down and put away in the back. Like I said, the same thing with this thing, and probably get rid of that. Look how cool that looks. Kind of gives me some thoughts like, maybe I should start with that next. But yeah, that's kind of it for this video, guys. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for all the subscribers. Thanks for coming by. Any comments, let me know. You know, any questions, let me know. Obviously, I'm not on here 100% of the time. That's why I don't make videos every week or stuff like that. But try to give you guys some updates on some of the stuff going on at JDM Loft. Hopefully, there's some cool stuff coming pretty soon. You know, I know we got spring coming up pretty soon, so that gets me motivated. Days like this, I'm like, I know I have a garage and I kind of want to come in here, but yeah, you know, by the time I kick off the heat, which is actually working out pretty well, it takes me about an hour and a half to get it up to like normal room temperature. So I can't complain for a, you know, big garage like this in New Jersey. You know, mornings it's 30 to 40 degrees now. Maybe in the afternoon we get lucky, we get 45 to 50 right now. You know, first weeks of March, but should warm up pretty soon. I do, you know, plan on being in here a lot more in the spring. I mean, last week when it was warm, I was like in here every day. So like I said, there's a lot of parts I got from Nissan, things I got to change on this car. I do want to get started more on this car. I do want to get to work on this. I do got to order tires for that one. All the tires came in for the Supra, so all the Supra tires came in. All the tires for the white R34 came in. So you can see all Falcons, kind of what I know, Falcon Azenas, the FK 510s. So changing it up a little bit, going with a little bit of a better tire this year. Well, not better tire, but a little bit of a better fit tire, especially for this car. I got, like I said, I got rubbing in the back on the 275 35. That is a 19, 275 35 19. As you can see, it's pretty close. I don't want to raise the car up anymore. I think it's pretty good where it's at now, but you can see that it's really right there, and I don't want to roll these fenders, and I don't really have a plan right now to go wide body or even, you know, do a conversion to it. It's just too much work right now, so I want to enjoy the cars. You guys probably know, the more you start doing stuff and the more you start doing stuff, you know, you gotta it's just like a never-ending thing. So sometimes it's best to leave it the way it is. It's kind of why I left this car stock right now. You know, didn't go single, didn't do anything yet. So a little scratch in the corner there. So yeah, I mean, one day we'll probably go single, obviously. But for now, I want to enjoy it. I can get in this car, drive. You know, it's reliable. So yeah. So all right, guys. Thanks again. I'm sorry I keep rambling on, but thank you for sticking around. I appreciate it. Bye, guys.